In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Etsy. First, go to Etsy.com and click on the Sign In button. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. For this example, I'll sign in with Google. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon and navigate to Purchases and Reviews. Here, you'll see all your purchases. Since I don't have a purchase to demonstrate, follow these steps. Find the order you want to cancel. On the right side, under the order status, click the Request Cancellation link. An auto-generated message will be sent to the seller. Provide the reason for cancellation and click Submit. Remember, the seller must accept your cancellation request for the order to be officially canceled. Only the seller can cancel an Etsy order, so if you're a buyer, you'll likely need to contact the seller directly. Refunds typically take 2 to 5 business days to process and reflect in your account. If you are outside the US, it may take up to 30 days. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.